If you find the iOS 17 not installing, check this video to get 13 simple tips to fix this iOS 17 update error on your iPhone. Fix 1. Fix iOS 17 update error without data loss. Step 1. To begin, open the program on your computer following the installation. Then, opt for iOS system recovery. Subsequently, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and tap Trust to establish trust with the computer. Step 2. A pop-up window will appear, displaying various issues that the software can address. Proceed by clicking on the Start tab to continue. Step 3. Choose the mode you wish to use. Opt for Standard mode to retain your files. Be aware that Advanced mode will erase all your data. Once decided, click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Take a moment to carefully review and confirm the details of your iPhone as instructed. Once you've ensured their accuracy, click the Repair button to initiate the repair process. Fix 2. Check device compatibility. Before attempting to install iOS 17, ensure that your device is compatible with the update. Apple occasionally drops support for older devices, so it's crucial to verify that your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch is on the list of compatible devices. Fix 3. Free up storage space. iOS updates often require a significant amount of free space on your device. If you're running low on storage, the installation may fail. Step 1. Find the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. Step 2. You'll see an option called iPhone Storage. Tap on it. Step 3. You'll now see a breakdown of your iPhone's storage usage. This will include a visual representation of the different types of content taking up space, such as apps, media, photos, and more. Step 4. To free up storage space, delete unnecessary apps, photos, or videos, and consider moving some data to iCloud or an external storage solution. Fix 4. Ensure a stable internet connection. A stable and robust internet connection is crucial for a successful update. Connect your device to Wi-Fi and ensure that the connection is reliable. If possible, try a different Wi-Fi network. Fix 5. Reset network settings. If the iOS 17 update error still persists, try resetting your device's network settings. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Choose Reset Network Settings from the list. Fix 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it before attempting to install the update. Sometimes these network configurations can interfere with the update process. Step 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Then, General. Step 2. Scroll down and choose VPN. Tap on it and switch off it. Fix 7. Check Apple's system status. Occasionally, iOS 17 software update failed may arise from problems on Apple's servers. Check Apple's system status page to ensure that the servers are operational. If there are issues, wait for Apple to resolve them before attempting the installation again. Fix 8. Restart iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve unable to install iOS 17 issues. Step 1. Hold down the power button situated on the right side of your iPhone until the Slide to Power Off slider materializes on the screen. Step 2. Glide the slider to power off your iPhone. Step 3. After your iPhone has shut down entirely, hold down the power button once again until the Apple logo is displayed on the screen. Fix 9. Charge your iPhone. To install iOS 17, it is essential that your iPhone maintains a battery level of at least 50%. If your iPhone currently has a battery level below 50, it is necessary to charge it before attempting the update installation. Once adequately charged, you can proceed with the update installation process. Fix 10. Turn off low power mode. The low power mode is designed to conserve battery life by disabling certain functions on your iPhone. However, it can also contribute to issues with the installation of iOS 17. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, Battery. Step 2. Then, switch off the toggle for low power mode. Fix 11. Remove and reinstall the iOS 17 update. Frequently, the iOS 17 update encounters download issues, preventing its proper installation on your iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to General and select iPhone Storage. Step 3. Scroll down and locate the entry for the iOS version. Tap on the iOS version to reveal options, and press the Delete Update button. Step 4. After deleting the update, restart your iPhone. Step 5. Proceed to download and install the update again by going to Settings, selecting General, and then choosing Software Update. Fix 12. Update iOS 17 via iTunes. If you're having trouble with over-the-air updates, you can try updating your device using iTunes to fix iOS 17 not installing issue. Step 1. Link your iPhone to your computer. Step 2. Launch iTunes and select your device icon located at the top. Step 3. Navigate to Summary, then choose Check for Update. Step 4. Subsequently, press the Download and Update button if an update is accessible. Fix 13. Contact Apple Support. If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to seek assistance from Apple Support. Visit the official Apple Support website or contact Apple Support directly for personalized assistance in resolving your iOS 17 installation issues.